They built a house. هغوی کور جوړ کړو. They built a house. These matters are serious. دا مسئلې جدي دي. جدي دي یعنی serious دي. These matters are serious. The Lord is great. خدای لوی دی. The Lord is great. He is using a phone. هغه فون استعمالی. He is using a phone. I am obliged to you. زستا مننه کوم. I am obliged to you. He has wealth. د هغه سره دولت دی. He has wealth. He spoke inspired. هغه په ضد کې وویل. He spoke inspired. She is wise. هغه هوښیاره ده. She is wise. Moral is clear. سبق څرګند دی. څرګند دی یعنی واضح دی. Moral is clear. It's 10 o'clock. لس بجې دي. It's 10 o'clock. He is keeping watch. هغه څارنه کوي. He is keeping watch. The meeting started. غونډه پیل شوه. The meeting started. پیل شوه یعنی شروع شوه. I have a plan. زه منصوبه لرم. I have a plan. Don't touch it. دې له ګوتې مه وړه. Don't touch it. The shop is closed. دکان بند دی. The shop is closed. He is running fast. هغه تیزه منډه وهي. He is running fast. The sun will rise. لمر به راوخیږي. The sun will rise. Flowers are fresh. ګلونه تازه دي. Flowers are fresh. She is social. هغه ټولنیزه ده. ټولنیزه ده یعنی social ده. She is social. The wall is higher. دیوال زیاد دنګ دی. The wall is higher. The rate is low. قیمت یې کم دی. The rate is low. The garden is big. باغ غټ دی. The garden is big. Do your work. خپل کار کوه. Do your work. My father is kind. زما پلار مهربان دی. My father is kind. He changed clothes. هغه جامې بدل کړي. He changed clothes. She sat in the corner. هغه په ګوټ کې کېناسته. She sat in the corner. Asad is here. اسد دلته دی. Asad is here. Take small steps. واړه قدمونه واخله. Take small steps. He wouldn't come. هغه به نه راتلو. He wouldn't come. She wouldn't come. هغه به نه راتله. She wouldn't come. He gave orders. هغه حکم وکړو. He gave orders. The island is small. ټاپو وړوکی دی. ټاپو یعنی جزیره. The island is small. Spring is here. پسرلی راغی. Spring is here. I have an offer. زه یو وړاندیز لرم. وړاندیز یعنی پیشکش. I have an offer. He feels pain. په هغه درد دی. He feels pain. This is wood. دا لرګی دی. This is wood. For instance, see this. د مثال په توګه دا وینا. For instance, see this. This is my house. دا زما کور دی. This is my house. His effort was vain. د هغه کوشش بیکار و. His effort was vain. Come directly here. نیغ دلته راشه. Come directly here. He will go. هغه به ځي. He will go. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.